Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Do you want to learn speak English? Are you facing a lot of problems for learning English? So this video is making for you. If you want to learn speaking English, just watch this video till the end. Assalamu alaikum. If you want to learn speak English, you have to speak in English. If you want to write in English, you have to write in English. If you want to drive a car, you have to drive a car. Dear brothers and sisters, if you want to drive a car, you can't drive a car by reading a book, by reading a text, or by listening a voice or watching a video. You have to drive. You have to try to drive a car. You have to try. Okay, otherwise you can't drive a car. In this way, if you want to swim in the pond, you have to go to the pond and you have to swim. You have to try to swim. Otherwise you can't swim. Dear brothers and sisters, in this way, if you want to learn to speak English, you have to speak in English. So if you want to speak English, you have to practice and you have to try again and again. So dear brothers and sisters, you know and already you have known that if you want to practice, if you want to learn English, you have to practice, but you don't know how to practice English. So today I am going to share with you how to practice speaking English. You can practice a lot of ways. First of all, you can practice with yourself in front of mirror or in front of mobile phone's camera. Like me, I'm making this video. You can also make a video for learning English, and you can make a topic. You can select a topic for your conversation. Then try to say something about that topic. First of all, you can say more and more. Maybe you will face a problem. You can't make sentence. Sometimes you will forget words, but it doesn't matter. You have to try. You have to elaborate your sentence. You have to express yourself. Just try to express yourself in front of mobile camera or in front of mirror. Okay, and try to record your voice. You can make video, then you can watch your video. Just keep trying watching your video and try to find out your mistake. Then day by day, in this way you can develop yourself. This is the first step. Second step is that if you want to practice English, you can practice with your friends, with your brothers, sisters, and neighbors. And if you don't find any friends or neighbor, sister for practicing, then you can share a post where you can include or you can write I want to speak in English and I want to practice this speaking English. If anyone interested for practicing, then you can inbox me. They will connect with you and they will practice with you. In this way, you can practice with them. You can practice with your friends. Okay. But if you can find friends who can speak in English and who can practice with yourself in offline, it will be better for you, more better for you. Okay. But if you can't find these kinds of people or these kinds of friends, you can make a post or you can share a post for searching a friend who can speak English, who can learn English, and who wants to speak in English, who wants to practice in English. You can make friends, these kinds of friends. Okay, and another step is that if you want to practice English, you can practice with ChatGPT. Okay, so suppose you can't make video or you can find a friend for practicing. Then first of all, you can practice with ChatGPT. You can tell him or tell it that I am new or I am beginner. I can't speak in English. I want to practice. Please help me. It will help you for practicing, for learning English. Day by day, you can improve yourself. Okay, you can practice with ChatGPT. And to their brothers and sisters, you have to read some books or you have to watch tutorial videos for learning English. You can watch me. You can watch my video for learning English. It will be beneficial for you. And if you want, I will make this kinds of video every day, every single day. I will try to share a video for improving yourself, for improving myself as well as. Okay, dear brothers and sisters, a lot of students or some friends asked me that how many vocabularies should we memorize for practicing or for learning English. It's a common question for you, and so I think there is no boundary for learning English, and there is no exact vocabularies which can teach you how to practice or how to learn English. Dear brothers and sisters, it doesn't matter how many vocabularies memorized do you have. It's the matter how many vocabularies you are using in your conversation, in your practice session, or in your writing. Okay, dear brothers and sisters, you should not write in Bangladesh. From today, try to write in English. Try to write in English. Don't try to write in Bangladesh. Avoid Bangladesh. You can write in Bangla, exact Bangla, Bangla font, but you should not write in Banglish. Means English with Banglish. You should use only English. From today, you will write in English, inshallah. Dear brothers and sisters, I want to share how many vocabulary should you memorize. For example, you have a bike, but you can drive it. It will not helpful for you. In this way, you have memorized a lot of vocabularies, but you can't use it. You don't use your conversation. You don't use your writing. It will not helpful for you. Start from now. Start from now. For example, when you were a child that time, you couldn't speak Bengali. What happened to you? You tried again and again, but you failed again and again. But you never lose your heart. When someone or a brother, sisters, or your father tell you something or say something, at that time you try to follow them and you try to repeat them, and in this way you could learn speaking English, speaking Bengali day by day. So dear brothers and sisters, when you are 8 or 6 or 10 years old, from the time you could speak Bengali fluently. In this way, you start from now and try to listen someone, try to speak, try to watch a tutorial video. Okay, try to learn new thing every day, every single day, and every time you should watch a tutorial video, or when you listen something, it should be listened in English, and when you watch something, it should be watched in English. Okay, dear brothers and sisters, please stay connected with me if you want to learn English. I will make this kind of video for your practicing, for your improving, for increasing your vocabulary, your sentence structure pattern, or everything. Okay, I think that's all for today. I will make another video another day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.